Hi, it's me, Mary, your friendly advisor, and it's a friendly point of view of innovative technologies. Today I want to show you how to use our website to find exactly what you need in a short time. Let's go! Here we are at pro-lam.net. The website is available in two languages, Italian and English. I will choose English. We have two product categories, Euro 1 catalog with air handling unit products and Euro and Sun catalog with photovoltaic system products. Let's start with Euro 1 catalog. The website gives us an opportunity to search a product in 4 different ways. Let's start with product categories. On the left we find subcategories with the actual catalog. As you can see, here are all the products that Pro-Lam produces, from the different types of profiles to accessories such as corners, handles, locks, hinges, etc. So let's choose one product, click on it, and we'll see what's inside. Here we have the main image of the product, description, and technical information is available for downloading. 3D movie with steps of assembling this product, dimensions of the product, and if you log in on our website, you can even download AutoCAD file with every product. Important information: if you're already our client, go and log in, and you'll get a lot of nice features like unlimited AutoCAD files of products. You can track your orders, see invoices, price lists, confirmations, etc. But if you still do not register on our website, do it now. It will save you a lot of time. The catalog is also available in PDF version. It's very easy to download. And you will get a standard book catalog with all products and descriptions. The next one is catalog systems. Here you can find all the systems that we produce. Let's see together. Find the system that you are interested in, read titles, for example, square section frame, single flange, nylon corners. View system. Here we see a system with a description and all selected products from the catalog that can go with the system. So you just need to make a choice based on your needs. We also can find various dampers, louvers, and mist eliminators on this catalog systems page. And the last one is our grade section, setting up products, where our configurator selects all the necessary details for you based on your requirements efficiently and quickly. We need to follow by steps. Everything is very intuitive. Let's choose a system and answer a few questions. Let's choose this one, square section frame. Select the thickness of the panel. Let's go with 40 millimeters. Select the profile dimension. We have just one option for our panel. Would you like the base under the unit? Let's say no for now. Would you like the steel foot? Let's say no. And the next step. And on the last step, as we see, configurator has already put everything together. Here we have our system, characteristic, and all components that we chose. And the very important thing that we can download or print our configuration with all products and all information for each product. That's amazing. And another thing that we can directly make an order from here. That will save you a lot of time. So we finished with Euro 1, but don't be sad. On the website we have a lot of information about this category, including distribution, our fairs, our news. We present our new products, our system, and as well we have all our friendly point of views videos on the website. So check them. Now let's go to Euro and Sun catalog. Again, a lot of interesting information here. Check it out. Let's go to product section.
Here we find a page with videos of assembling of different modular frame systems for electrical cabinets and storages with descriptions and highlights. In mounting system for modules is available a catalog for Euro and Sun products, in German as well. So let's download our main catalog and see what's inside. It's a standard book catalog with all products and descriptions. Everything is very clear and intuitive.
I hope I've helped you navigate our website quickly and, the most important, efficiently. And do not forget that our sales managers are always ready to help you with any issues. So don't hesitate to call us if you need us. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.